Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and here I am in the final step on this upstairs carpet, master bedroom, closet, and hallway. And the first video of this series, I was pre-vacuuming with the Sebo X8 automatic, and so now I'm going to do the post vacuuming, grooming, used with the Sebo after cleaning everything. Carpet is, well, virtually dry, which would be normal. So let's go ahead and do the full post vacuuming. It adjusts the automatic height adjustment, so it just adjusted to the right height for this particular carpet, which is a nice feature, as long as it works. I've never had a vacuum that does that before, but I've actually had this vacuum for quite a while, but kind of, well, anyway, I just haven't used it much, but I've decided I gotta put it to work. My Hoover is actually beginning to show signs of perhaps wearing out after a few years. I actually had to replace the stretchy hose from my other Hoover that I had before. So it's only a matter of time now before that hose is going to split again. It'll do it again before too long. And I've noticed the brush roll is not quite working as well, because they do wear out, and that thing has got a lot of hours on it. So I'm not complaining about it or faulting it or anything. It's just that the vacuums, they wear out. I could replace the brush roll and the hose and all, but anyway, I've got this vacuum, which I kind of bought on a whim, I guess. And then I decided I preferred the Hoover, but anyway, I'm going to use this a little more at least, and we'll see how it goes. So far I'm liking it fine. One thing I'm seeing, at least on this carpet, is it does a really nice job of post grooming the carpet. It really leaves a very nice finish appearance on the carpet, so that's nice. And it did work really well. I thought it worked very nicely on the steps. Probably the best, easiest vacuum I've ever used on steps. So that's a real advantage it has, I guess. Anyway, yeah, they're a good vacuum, well made, expensive compared to what you can buy vacuums for. I know some guys like the idea of going to Walmart and buying a $100 vacuum, and if that's what you want, that's fine. That won't be me. But it is leaving a very smooth appearance on this Traxta carpet. One of the things I actually do like about it, at least better than the Hoover, is the switch is right there, whereas the Hoover, it's down on the body. And when I first started using the Hoover, I thought I wouldn't like that. It hasn't been a problem, but yeah, it's just I don't think it's a game changer by any means, but my concern was, what if you suddenly jam up the brush roll and you want to shut it off really fast this one, the switch is right here, whereas the Hoover actually has an automatic shut off. So it hasn't been an issue. Now, the other thing I'm not quite sure of is what kind of belt this has. I think it's a cog belt. So it should last pretty much forever, I guess. No, it's not a, I don't think it's a rubber band type. I can't remember what it is. I'll have to take a look. Carpet is looking very nice. Really nice finish on the carpet. There's a fair amount of wear right at the top of the steps here. You can see the yarn of the carpet is flared open from the wear. Okay, looks like we're pretty much done here. So I'll show you where the bag is. Just like that.
Are you winning?
Just about done, yeah. Just about to groom the steps and I'll be done.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep, so just a few more minutes.
It smells like it's been cleaned.
Yeah, a little fresh, eh? So there's the brush. Belt's in there. So you can pop the end off. And out it comes. Just like that. But I believe, I think we got a cog belt in there. There's a little sprocket there that hooks into the brush roll. There, and the other end pops off too. But the actual belt, I believe it's a cogged. Oh, forgot. There's a little opening there for opening up to unclog it if you get a clog right there. Nice little feature. Okay, we'll let you go. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.